Closing market comments for Tuesday, September the 1st. Grains were mixed today. Early, we had everything sharply lower. Beans were down 11, corn was down 5, and wheat was down 5 or to 7 cents. On the FC Stone numbers last night, Stone had the corn yield at 179.6 and the soybean production at 52.9. Both of those are below the USDA numbers from August at 183.3 and 54.2, but not as low as a lot of the traders were expecting, and that pushed the markets lower last night early. As the night progressed, markets did rebound, and we did close higher. Corn up a penny, beans were up a penny, and wheat had a strong day, up 12 cents. Rumors today that China was buying hard red wheat off the Pacific Northwest lended strong support to the wheat complex. We'll have to see if there's any announcements that come through from that. Crop conditions last night had corn at 62% down 2. On the state breakdowns, we had Indiana down 1 at 63, Illinois down 2 at 70, Ohio unchanged at 45, Michigan down 4 at 50, Iowa down 5 at 45, Nebraska down 2 at 64, Minnesota down 3 at 79, South Dakota unchanged at 74, and North Dakota down 3 at 64. On the soybean side, the crop condition was rated 66% good to excellent. That's down 3% for the week. We had Indiana down 3 at 63, Illinois down 1 at 72%, Ohio unchanged at 54, Michigan down 3 at 60%, Iowa down 6 at 50%, Minnesota down 2 at 80%, Nebraska down 5 at 66, South Dakota unchanged at 72, and North Dakota down 1 at 64%. So as you can see, crop conditions were down. Traders were expecting only to be 2 to 4 lower, and we ended up being 2 to 3 lower between the two. So not quite as much as they thought. Markets were pretty quiet today, really kind of looking for a little outside news to drive this market. We've had a pretty substantial rally. Did have two good sales again this morning. USDA announced 596,000 metric tons of corn to China. That's the same as yesterday, so twice now they bought that amount. And on soybeans, we sold 132,000 metric tons of beans to unknown for the 2021 marketing year. Most of Iowa and Nebraska did have ratings come out last night showing that they were in the driest 10% of the last 128 years of records. So you can see why the crop conditions have fallen 24% in the last 3 weeks in Iowa. One other note, Dr. Credonier was out with yields. His corn this week was at 176, down 2 bushel per acre, and a production of 14.69. That's down about 60 million or 600 million from the USDA's August report. Beans at 51.0, that's down 1 bushel per acre for the week, and production of 4.23 billion, down 195 million from the USDA numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.